Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to check your tax refund status in Canada. If you're in Canada and you're waiting for your tax refund status and you're not sure what's up, it's quite simple. Go to the canada.ca page, right? So if you go check tax refund status, you search that on Google, these two options will appear. Tax refunds is going to bring you here, which you need to sign in using your CRA account. So when it comes to the progress tracker of your tax refund, it's going to say here that files that you can track. These are all the files that you can track. File status and progress history. So the easiest way to explain this is that the progress tracker is available on the overview page of both your account and your business account. So once you sign in to your CRA account, you're going to see that progress tracker on the overview page, meaning the main page once you log in. That is how you can track your tax refund for whatever year you are trying to look at. Is basically the current year, right? So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.